Hello, my name is Rajiv and this video is in continuation to third part. So please watch part 3 before continue with this video. Okay. So in part 3 we are having some problem when we try to alter table and then add a constraint. We are getting some error like that. So basically this is just because I forget I have to make foreign key column as department ID, not as employee ID. And since in employee ID I have already a employee present with ID 5, but in table department there's is not having any department with ID 5, department ID 5, so it doesn't map and it throws an error. Look at syntax of how to add a constraint, foreign key constraint, alter table and then foreign key table. So what is foreign key table? TBL employee, add constraint and then foreign key table. This is just a common rule. You specify foreign key table, foreign key column and then FK, so that any person can just by seeing it understand okay what the column is going to do. So alter table, TBL employee, add constraint and then the constraint name and foreign key. What we want to do, make it foreign key and instead of employee ID we want to make it department ID, and we have to change it here also. And by the way it is just a name, so if I don't change here it will not going to get an error. So department ID references TBL department ID. So now it is correct. Let me go ahead and run that. So command completed successfully. Now if I try to insert a record, look at that, this record is having department ID 6, but there is no department with department ID 6 in TBL department, so it throws an error and basically it violates foreign key constraint, and so that statement has been terminated. Okay, this is what we want, but I want to use it graphically. How can I do that? So first of all you have to drop it or delete it. Look at that, when you refresh it you can see here a TBL employee department ID foreign key. So either you can delete it from here or you can drop it. So drop constraint and then name of constraint. So we have to alter the table. So alter table TBL employee and drop constraint. Execute it and command completed successfully. Now when you refresh it you can see that is gone. Okay, this is the first way, and second way you can you can delete it from here also. Okay, so now go to TBL employee and then go to design. Then select your foreign key column, department ID foreign key column, right click on that, go to relationship, add, so give it a meaningful name, so department ID. Okay, and in text and columns specification you have to specify a primary key table. Primary key table is TBL department and ID is ID, then TBL employee ID. Okay, close, go ahead and save that. Okay, so now let me first go ahead and, so for some reason it doesn't appear here. Let me go ahead and check that. TBL, okay, here employee ID, we have to select it, department ID. Okay, we are doing same mistake again. Save. So now it is saved, and now when we try to insert that record, we will get the same error. Okay, so what primary key is? It is used to uniquely identify each record. What foreign key? Basically it points to primary key in another table and provides database integrity. And unique key, we will look in unique key in detail in a later session. Sorry. Thank you. Have a great day.